Listen to Miss Katie. Go vegan for the animals now.
Always speak truthfully and forcefully. Do not be a politician ever. Playing politics doesn't work. If you think that if you're going to say plant-based instead of vegan, that's going to make somebody listen, you're sorely mistaken. If you think that by saying, I'm an animal advocate instead of an animal liberation activist, that someone's going to listen, it is completely untrue. After talking to 60,000 people, I've realized and learned that people are ready to listen to the message or they're not, no matter how you act. I can be as sweet as Gandhi or as radical as early Malcolm X, and it will not change one person's mind about the issue of veganism and animal rights. It all depends upon the person, whether they're willing to listen. I'll give you an example. A couple times a year, I have speeches that turn into a Jerry Springer show. People want to scream and yell at me. I don't want to do it, but they want to start. So recently, one of these lectures happened, and the student told me that I was rude and abrasive. I said, okay, do you think everybody feels that way? And they said yes. I said, well, we're going to take a vote on that. There were about 40 students in the class. I said, raise your hand if you thought I was rude and abrasive. 7 people raised their hands. So I said, okay, that leaves 33 people that didn't think I was rude and abrasive and listened to what I had to say. So I pointed to the student and I said, maybe the problem isn't me. Maybe the problem is you. And you, and I pointed to the 7 people. If I'm giving the same speech to the same crowd and 33 people like it and 7 people didn't, I can't be the problem. So again, what I'm saying is those 7 people came into that classroom unwilling to listen, no matter what I did, no matter what I said. In fact, there have been some lectures where I've gotten on my hands and knees and begged people to stop killing animals. My wife, Erica, witnessed one of these lectures at University of Central Florida. This guy was being rude and abrasive himself, and mean and stubborn and stupid. So I got on my knees sincerely, and I said, please stop killing the animals. And if you're not going to stop killing them for the animals, stop doing it for me, your fellow human. Look what it's doing to me. And he looked at me dead in the eye and said, no. So my point is, politics never works. It's always better to speak the truth and be honest. And when I condemn politics and politicians, think about this. All the people that we collectively admire, Gandhi and Dr. King and Malcolm X and Rosa Parks, Nelson Mandela, Henry David Thoreau, none of the people that we collectively admire was a politician. They were all activists. So I will ask activists to stop playing political games. Say what needs to be said. Explain the murder, the Holocaust that's taking place. Explain the rapes that happen to animals on a daily basis. Don't be afraid to say these words. These animals are suffering horribly. And when we sit around and play political games, it doesn't benefit them in one bit.
It's not food, it's violence. All the animals wanted to live. It's not food, it's violence. Choose something else instead. We are winning. We're strong, we're happy, we're healthy, and we're proud to be on the right side of history. We're brave, we get up, we show up, we speak up, and we never give up. We are smart, we know that every day is a brand new start. To keep learning with our heads and choosing with our hearts. We are glowing, we're serving, we're protecting the animals, the planet, and the next generation. Little by little, my vegan friends and I, we are winning. We are winning hearts and minds. We are winning.
Today I decided to do these jumps at the park while I was on my walk because, like most women, I don't have a lot of upper body strength. I also did some stretching. I always feel good when I'm upside down, stretching the back of my legs and my spine. When I was 12 years old, the Olympic Games took place in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, where I lived. And it was always my dream to be a gymnast when I saw Nadia Comaneci win the gold medal. She was my age at the time, and she could flip all over the place and had such amazing grace and strength. Unfortunately, I have one leg slightly longer than the other, and so I could never quite do all the back walkovers properly without a lot of back pain. One of the things I encourage my students to do is to never lose sight of their youthful enthusiasm. I mean, I'm not dressed for a gym here, and I know that this guy behind me is probably wondering, who the heck is this lady and what the heck is she doing? But you shouldn't let that bother you. Just do what you have to do. If you want to do some exercise, a flip, some stretching, whatever it is, just go for it. Now this exercise is supposed to be a test of our balance. Could you cross your legs and go all the way down to a sitting position and then get back up without using your hands? If so, you're doing pretty good. I'm in the top category for women my age. This is also another test. Standing on one foot, how long can you do it for? I can do it for 60 seconds on one leg, and on the other leg, on my left leg, it's a lot harder, but for some reason while I was filming this video, I was able to stay up really long on my other leg, even though I was wobbling all over the place, which you'll see soon. According to ChatGPT, if I can stand on one leg for over 60 seconds, I am in excellent shape, and I'm in the top 10 to 15% of the general population. That's kind of cool. My goal is not to be some star athlete or to even look amazing in a bikini. My goal is just to be healthy and to be strong, to be able to defend myself if something happens, or to save somebody if for some reason I need to carry somebody out of a fire, or if a child is injured. I just want to be able to be proud of myself. That's all. So this is an unedited clip of over 90 seconds of me trying to stand on my left leg, feeling a little bit wobbly at various times. But let's talk about something else for a second. Let's talk about why we should be vegan. Do you guys know? Can you tell me in the comments? You've been watching my channel for a long time now, most of you. What happens to the baby chicks? Do you know? Do you know what happens to the baby boy chicks in the industry? Write it down in the comments. Also, what happens to the baby cows? Do you know? Why are they taken away from their mothers and murdered? Can you tell us? Oh, it's getting really wobbly. Being vegan is a moral baseline. It's easy to be vegan. You just simply don't take what was never yours to begin with. You guys know that, right? And anybody here who is religious and who believes in the Bible, it clearly says in there, under the 10 Commandments, not to steal anything. If you're eating a chicken wing, what have you stolen? Whose life have you stolen? If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, now's a good time to consider doing so. I'm not sure what you'll be seeing in the future, just whatever pops into my head, but you can guarantee it will always be about the animals. But right now, let's talk about squats, which are one of the best exercises you can do because they work multiple muscle groups, they improve functional strength, and benefit your body in ways that carry over into everyday life. And here's why they're so valuable. Squats strengthen multiple muscle groups at once. A proper squat works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, lower back, and core, meaning you get a full lower body workout in one move. And the cool thing about squats is you can do them anywhere. You literally just do them standing while waiting in a lineup somewhere. Don't worry about what people think about you so much. Just do what's good for you. If you're not hurting anybody, you'll probably be inspiring somebody if you just do squats whenever you think of it. And also, remember to stick up for the animals wherever you are. It's so easy to do a little video or to leave a little note somewhere to remind people to be vegan for the animals. After doing a little workout at the outdoor gym, I found this fountain, and I wasn't sure if it was actually okay to use the water. I wasn't sure because it was pretty rusty and there was no note on it, but I let the water run for a while and it certainly felt really good and it smelled fine. So I rubbed my neck a bit, my arms, and just cooled down. I think there should be public fountains everywhere around the world. Every block, there should be free water so you can fill your water bottle and drink and not have to worry whether it's clean or not. Yeah, I'm drinking it. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. It's fine. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this variety of different kinds of videos. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe and the notification bell. One last song and a view of my desk.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat